I'm moving.
This is the dimension of imagination. It is an area which we call the Twilight Zone.
I just ate some Shake Shack. Obviously, it was just so good. I completely devoured. I wish I had more. Fun fact, I don't like Shake Shack. So basically, I moved Monday. Today is Friday. That's my room. I'm currently grounded for reasons I will not discuss right now. But I'm not like grounded. My parents are just not talking to me, but my mom did give me that food. So either she A, loves me because she thought about me to get me food, or she B, hates me because she just tried to poison me by giving me Shake Shack. I hate Shake Shack. I have deodorant that I stole from my dad, which could possibly get me even more grounded. But since I have nothing to do and I am driving myself crazy, so I'm gonna pack because I should be editing, but I flipped a coin, and a coin I said heads I gotta pack, tails I gotta edit, and it was heads. So I'm gonna pack. Y'all look, bro, I gotta control what I thought my mom was gonna rip that out. Like, I'm not even playing. Maybe she forgot about it. I'm gonna show y'all what I packed so far. I kind of separated my makeup over there. She ain't that separated, but I don't know how to pack like skin products. Nobody's ever taught me that. I practically cleared out my closet. I'm gonna pack that up like now. Okay.
Get that boy some guns, boy.
Come on me, leave all of your things, yeah. You can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come on me, fly you out the grave, full speed, family. Come on me, leave all of your things, yeah. Stop at Louis V, yeah. Come on me, fly you out the grave, full speed, all that family. Speedboat, in Nicky B, breathe to my ass, smoke weed.
Okay, good morning. I'm back, about to pack my suitcase. I'm just gonna like move my hair out of my way because these butterfly locks are like high key annoying. Basically, we're not moving till Tuesday or Wednesday.
Never falling, why you making problems? I've been silent, why you making problems? I'm a problem, being rich is not my fault. You decide, who you think you should decide, but I've been quiet. Part of miss me when I'm crying, going out the K-go. She can stay in my room, she can stay in my room, and it ain't my room. I was trying to play it right, I was trying to treat you nice. Funny how it's done.
It's just like stuff everywhere. Like I have, besides that needs to be washed to be put away. This is just like products. Update, guys. Most of my boxes are out of my room, except for this box. But that's the fresh box that I just started packing. Sometimes I think I'm fake black because there's no way I should be coughing over some Takis. Hello squad, crew, gang, members. I'm making my last box because I'm gonna show y'all my progress. Y'all will be so proud of me. Over here is empty containers. This is, I hope I can continue to use this or that one in the new house, even though I have a laundry chute, so I'm gonna put this in the laundry room. This is like all my beauty products, and then I put the beauty products that I'm gonna be using. Right here is the stuff that I'm gonna be wearing for the next couple of days. And I only have tomorrow, which is like not good because I've tried packing during the school week and it never works out for me. So I'm not even gonna set myself up with that.
I be so sick of you niggas, you're contradicting. I be so bored myself, then you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, still when you around me. Treat me like corduroy, wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts. I can't keep no conflict with you, boy, can we just rub it out? I don't want no standing with you, you know you my thug. And I can't shake this tab enough. I've been down, baby. Every reminiscing, every I'm missing you, wishing it was living in what it was. I've been down, baby, lost in the line of us, lost in no finding us. I've been down, baby. And if you wonder, I hate you. Make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. And if you want it, I hate you. Shitty of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. Used to be too silent till you scramble me. Used to be your rider, you mishandle me. Used to be non-violent till you ambush me. Now I'm not so violent with you. Now I'm not so silent treatment. No permission. Missionary getting boring. These positions. Hard to say your soul. You'll never listen. No, no. I've been down, baby. Every reminiscing. Every I'm missing you. Wishing it was living in what it was.
Hey guys, so we're officially in the new house. I'm currently just sitting in my closet chilling because it's the only place in my room that has light. Why am I so red? It's the lighting. I need a white light in here. I hope that please give me a pillow because I'm not sleeping down there with them because I gotta watch my Rick and Morty. But I always sleep with my iPad. I'm an iPad kid. It's kind of bad though. Don't tell nobody. There's a secret between you and me that I'm an iPad kid. I look so red, it's crazy. Okay guys, my parents just came back with another load. I don't have a lot of stuff, like 3 or 2 bags of like things. Hold on. So I'm about to clean my bathroom. So, cause I was not going in there and like nasty in it. Okay. So let me get my tripod out. Alright, I need to low-key clean my tail, but we're about to wash my bathtub out, so let's go do that. It's weird because I don't consider myself like a very germophobic person. Like, I don't think like, oh, look, I need to, but I don't know.
I admit it, another hoe got me finished. Broke my heart, oh no you didn't. Fuck sipping, I'ma down a whole bottle. Hard liquor, hard truth can't swallow. Need a bartender, put me out my sorrow. Wake up the next day in a Monte Carlo with a new woman. Tell me she from Colorado and she love women. She'll be gone by tomorrow, who am I kidding? All the jealousy and agony that I sit in. I'm a jealous boy, really feel like John Lennon. I just want real love, guess it's been a minute. Pissed off from the way that I don't fit in, I don't fit in. Tell me what's the secret to love, I don't get it. Feel like I be running the race, I'm not winning. Ran into the devil today and she grinning.
Okay guys, I know I look crazy, I look terrible, the background is a mess right now. That is it for this video. Moving has been a long and hard process and we're still not done, and the next video you guys will see is just my room transformation, bathroom, closet, whatever. Just really pulling everything together because I'm really, oh my gosh, my hands are dirty and I have allergies and this is just not, I am really excited for that, so be on the lookout for those videos. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will totally see you guys in my next one. Thank you.
In a Monte Carlo with a new woman. Tell me she from Colorado and she love women. She'll be gone by tomorrow, who am I kidding? All the jealousy and agony that I sit in.